whenever we are trying to store multiple values, like whenever there is a student and we want to store the different marks, okay, we want to store the marks of a particular student, say for example, his marks of physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, okay, and different marks. So, definitely what are the way by which we can able to store their marks, क्या तरीका है whenever we are trying to store multiple values, बहुत सारे values store करना है। अब देखो यहाँ पे सारे जो values है they all are of integer type और floating type। say for example integer मतलब पूर्ण नंबर जो है integer, say for example physics में मिला 70, in chemistry 81, mathematics में 92, bio में 78, so these are the different marks, बहुत सारा marks है। Now what we will do? So for physics I will declare a variable x, for chemistry I will declare another variable, for mathematics I will declare another variable, for each subject I will need to store different variables. So this will make a variable complexity, that means we have to remember more things। ऐसा अगर हर एक value के लिए हम लोग variable रखेंगे, then we have to remember more and more, and that is working with more variable, it is very much difficult. So in our language we have a feature that if we have similar type of values which are used for a similar purpose or same purpose, then there is a feature which is called array. The values can be remembered by a single name। अगर C लैंग्वेज में एक फीचर है, हर एक लैंग्वेज में ऐसा फीचर है कि अगर वैल्यू सिमिलर टाइप का है then we can able to store them by a single name। How it is possible? Then rather than having x equal 70, y equal 81, and this way, rather than declaring, we will declare like this way। If I am considering all the values are of integer type, अगर हम लोग मान लेते हैं सारे variable integer type का है, तो लिखेंगे int marks any variable and यहाँ पे दे देंगे एक size। मान लो marks है कितना subject है, 5 subject, 5 different subject का marks है। Now if I do this, then what will happen? In our memory, in our computer memory, some place will be allocated। ऐसा कुछ space allocate हो जाएगा। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5। So this location is named as m of 0. This location is named as m of 1. This location m of 2, and so on, m of 3 and m of 4. So how we declare array? We declare array variable. So this is the variable, and this is the data type, and this is the within the third bracket open और close करके हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We will declare the size of the variable, array variable। Okay, so array variable, in this area array variable can able to store how many values? 5 values that are of similar type। That means similar means either all of them can be integer, either all of them can be character, either all of them can be floating point, whatever, जो भी डेटा टाइप हो, बट सबका वैल्यू डेटा टाइप एक ही जैसा होना चाहिए, एक ही होना चाहिए। Then only we can have the allocation like this way। So in case of array variable, if I write int x of 5, then what will happen? In our memory, a particular location will be allocated, some location will be allocated, and this location is called contiguous memory location। What is contiguous? Contiguous means कि एक वैल्यू, मान लो ये अगर मेमोरी है, ये वैल्यू अगर एलोकेट होता है 7000 लोकेशन में, तो नेक्स्ट जो वैल्यू है इंटीजर कितना बाइट का है? 2 बाइट का है, तो ये जगह होगा 7002, ये शुरुआत होगा 7004, 7006, 7008। Okay, and these locations are indexed by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4। ये जगह का इंडेक्स है। इंडेक्स क्या रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? What is the position? Position is represented by index. These are called index. This is called index। And these locations are known as, these locations are known as, like this location is known as M of 0, this location is named as M of 1, M of 2, M of 3, M of 4, and this location will be named as M of 4. This is called an array. And now what is the total size which will be allocated by this one? This one will occupy how much size? Each will be of 2 bytes, if we are considering integer as 2 byte of memory. So 10 byte memory will be allocated, 10 byte of memory will be allocated for this whole X. This is the data type, and this is the array name, and this is the size of the array. Now how we can able to allocate the values? How we can able to allocate the values? How we can able to allocate the values? We can able to allocate the values by help of like this way. We can able to allocate the values. If I want to allocate the values here, so I will write M of 0 equal, say for example 20. So that what will happen? In this location 20 value will be inserted, in this location M of 1 will be inserted. So if I want to store here 70 will be inserted here. If I want to insert M of 4 is 9, so M of 4, this location will be allocated as 9, and this way, in this way, इसी तरीके से we can able to store all the values in the corresponding places, and this way we can use it. So what is the main purpose? The purpose is very simple. The purpose is to store some multiple values, and all those values are of similar type by help of single name. सारे values एक ही टाइप का, एक ही डेटा टाइप का होगा, and by help of single name we will remember all of them. देखो यहाँ पे by help of single name, this name is called X, and by help of X of 0, X of 1, X of 2, X of 3, by help only the changing the index value, we can able to assign the values, we can able to store the values, we can able to access those values also. अगर डिस्प्ले करना है, ऐसे ही डिस्प्ले के समय लिखेंगे printf, 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 जैसे लिखते हैं परसेंटाइल d, यहाँ पे क्या है, ये लोकेशन मान लो यहाँ पे इस वैल्यू को प्रिंट करना चाहते हैं तो लिखेंगे m of 4, and this way we can display all those values. As a similar way, if we try to insert the value, if we try to insert or take input the values, if we want to take input the values, अगर मुझे input लेना है इसी वेरिएबल में यूजर के थ्रू, तो लिखेंगे scanf %d, address of इस लोकेशन, मान लो इस लोकेशन में I want to store some value. So what is the location? Location name is m of this location is 2. So in this location we want to store. So in scanf, जब scan करेंगे value को तो ये location का number देंगे. Okay. Now if we try to use the for loop to insert, then that is also possible, and directly if you want to insert the values, that is also possible. In case of array, there is another way of allocating the values or initializing the values, like int x is variable name, we will provide the third bracket only. यहाँ पे खाली third bracket देंगे, वहाँ पे second bracket के अंदर, second parenthesis के अंदर we can able to store. Say for example, I want to store 2, 3, 9, 8. So I want to store only 4 values. What will happen in our memory? Automatically, how many values are there? 4 values are there. So 4 places will be created. This will be assigned as 2, this is 3, this is 9, this is 8, and these are the index value 0, 1, 2, 3. Always remember, always याद रखना कि index always start from 0th value. Okay, so this is the 0th index. So this location is named as x of 0. This location is called x of 1, and this way all the values. This location is x of 2, x of 3, and this way all the values will be stored. Now if I have this type of array and I want to allocate the memory by help of scanf, so what we can do, if I have declare int, say for example मान लो यहाँ पे एक वेरिएबल है y के अंदर y का साइज है क्या है, this is called size of the array. Okay, this is the size. Now I want to allocate 10 different places. I want to store some values. So क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे एक for loop ले लेते हैं, मान लो for loop int यहाँ पे i का वैल्यू इनिशियली 0 से शुरू करते हैं, I less than equal to 9, because if the index is starting from 0, it will go to 9 till 9. Okay, then I plus plus, every step, हर एक स्टेप में i का वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट होगा. तो यहाँ पे ले लो scanf scanf %d कॉमा एड्रेस ऑफ y ऑफ i। सो यहां पे क्या हो जाएगा, क्या होगा, देखो इस फॉर लूप के अंदर क्या हो जाएगा यहां पे, तो यहां पे देखो i का वैल्यू इनिशियली 0 है, i लेस देन 9, यस। सो इन दिस प्लेस ये मान लो दिस इज आवर मेमोरी, दिस इज 0 1 then 2 then 3 then 4 5 6 7 8 till 9। now what will happen, by help of scanf we will take some input। मान लो इनपुट आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे कैसे इनपुट आएगा, यहाँ पे आएगा y ऑफ i फर्स्ट टाइम क्या है, y ऑफ i क्या है, फर्स्ट y ऑफ i is 0, so y of 0 this is y of 0 at 0th place whatever value you will insert, मान लो 2 insert करेंगे तो वैल्यू वहां पे चला जाएगा, देन स्पेस देके तो देन वी विल गिव सम स्पेस, यहाँ पे इंटर प्रेस करेंगे रन टाइम में, तो यूजर से इंटर प्रेस करेंगे तो मान लो फिर 3 देते हैं तो नेक्स्ट वैल्यू 3 में यहाँ पे चला जाएगा। सो आई का वैल्यू y ऑफ पहले y ऑफ 0 में होगा, फिर नेक्स्ट लूप में y ऑफ 1 में होगा, फिर लूप इटरेट करेगा तो y ऑफ 2 में होगा। सो दिस वे वी कैन एबल टू declare the array variable, at the same time we can initialize the values inside the array variable। and one thing, array name, for array name no memory space will be allocated, this array name will store the base address of this array। ये जो array name है अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले करते हैं, यहाँ पे मान लो डिस्प्ले करते हैं, यहाँ पे अगर डिस्प्ले करते हैं किसको, यहाँ पे m है, m को अगर डिस्प्ले करते हैं m will store the first address 7000 को स्टोर करता है, फर्स्ट वैल्यू का जो एड्रेस है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड निमोनिक, array name is called also a mnemonic। okay, thank you। if you have any query please write in the comment section।